If your layers have suddenly stopped laying eggs, don't panic. There is usually a reason, and identifying it early can help restore egg production. Number 1. Poor nutrition. Layers need a balanced layer feed with enough protein, calcium, vitamins, and minerals. Low-quality feed can reduce egg production. Number 2. Not enough clean water. Hens need fresh, clean water at all times. Even a short period without water can cause them to stop laying. Number 3. Stress, overcrowding, extreme heat, predators, loud noises, or sudden changes in their environment can reduce egg production. Number 4. Short daylight hours. Layers need about 14 to 16 hours of light each day to maintain good egg production. If natural daylight is limited, provide extra light in the early morning or evening. Number 5. Disease or parasites, worms, mites, lice, or illness can affect egg production. Follow your deworming and prevention schedule, keep the coop clean, and separate sick birds from the healthy flock. Healthy birds, quality feed, clean water, enough light, and good management are the keys to consistent egg production. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and follow for more.